Whoa, is that a new Blackwing? Oh no, it looks like it's already sold. Oh yeah, I bought it. Alright, I got 4 miles on this. I don't want to be driving around unprotected, so Sho-Me Tint, here we come. Randy, I hope you're ready.
So the best part about this is when my friends get new cars, we get to see all the cool stuff first. Right here, Sho-Me Tint. So if you want to see them, you got to subscribe. Oh my God, what is this? A new Blackwing. You don't know much about it. It's got more horsepower than the Z06. It is grinning goose to gas, and it's ready to roll. Oh my God, it sounds good. You gotta love that. You gotta love that. Only if you love America and cheeseburgers, you know what I mean? So this is super cool. This car is amazing, and you can haul your kids with it. The owner of this brought it straight over here to make sure we get it protected with our paint protection film. So we're gonna wrap it all up and spend a lot of time with it. You're gonna see a bunch of cool videos of it. So I'm super excited to show this thing off to you. Oh my God, look at this thing. The Blackwing. Those vents are functional, in case you're wondering. Every car guy's first question. Oh my God. I never really thought 4 doors could be for me, but it definitely could be for me. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put so much love into this car. I'm going to wrap it like it was my own. The best part about this, we never know what we're going to get. We always get to see the cool stuff first. As soon as they got it off the truck, cleaned it up, brought it straight up. 12 miles. I think it only had 4 or 5. He seemed like he was lagging it getting it over here. Took the long way driving his own car. Oh, it's so sexy though. That front end though. Orange and black for Halloween. Come on, what are we going to do here? It was made for this to happen. So we've got a bunch of cars coming, a bunch of cool ones coming actually, and it should be like back-to-back orange cars. I always think it's weird when all the cars in the shop are the same color. But it's going to happen again, and it's going to be crazy. They're going to be 2 cool supercars that you just don't find everywhere. So I can't wait to show it off to you. Make sure you subscribe and check it out, and we'll show you all the cool stuff that's happening. We'll get in depth with the process. That's the fun part. Is I like doing the job, so it's going to be fun to show it to you and how flawless we make this car for the customer. He's going to love it. So I can't wait to see it. I'll see you guys later.